If Google Flow suddenly isn't working, stuck loading, not generating results, throwing errors, or straight up doing nothing, you're not alone. This usually isn't a Google is down forever problem. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Google, I'm not selling anything, and I'm not promising miracles. I'm breaking this down so you don't waste time guessing or thinking your device is broken. If your account isn't properly synced or you're logged into multiple Google accounts at once, Flow can silently fail. Logging out of all Google accounts, then logging back into just one fixes this more often than people expect. Another major issue comes from browsers and extensions. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, VPNs, and even script blockers can interfere with how Google Flow loads. Disabling extensions temporarily or opening Flow in an incognito window helps isolate the problem fast. If it works in incognito, you already know the culprit. Clearing cached data, not full browser data, but cached files specifically, also helps reset broken sessions without logging you out of everything. Region availability matters too. Google Flow isn't fully rolled out in all countries, so if you're in a restricted region or using a VPN that puts you in one, Flow may appear broken when it's actually blocked. If none of that works, then it's likely a server-side or rollout issue. Google often deploys Flow gradually, meaning some accounts lose access temporarily during updates. Checking Google's official status page or community forums can confirm if others are experiencing the same issue. Switching devices or networks, like mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, can also reveal whether it's a network-level problem. Bottom line, Google Flow not working is usually fixable without reinstalling anything or panicking. It's about account state, browser behavior, permissions, and rollout timing. Fix those, and Flow usually comes right back. If this saved you time or frustration, make sure you stick around. I break down tools like this so you don't get caught thinking the tech is broken when it's really just misconfigured.